let's now get down dirty into the world of interiors. I want to know, interiors are considered to be a very expensive affair, and people really think maybe I don't need it. So what do you think about this perception? Do you really think interiors are expensive? What's the approximate range from which you can look at starting something? Let's talk about that as well.
Basically, see, we can start with a very minimum budget of 50 to 60,000 just to start with, if you have a sleek apartment and all. And obviously it varies if we go for apartments, and it varies for the office space, it varies for your villa, and that's on. Just if we consider a sleek apartment, we can go with 50-60,000 as a minimum budget. And even for the commercial space, we can start with 100,000 to 120,000. There is a complete breakup for this. So the minimum amount from that, 10 to 15% goes in design, planning and approvals, which is a must here. And then comes the demolition and the preparation, that takes another 5 to 10%. And then if you talk about structural work and civil work, construction, that takes almost 40% of that. And then comes the finishes and the fixtures, and it takes another 20%. And then comes furniture, the decor, which is again 10 to 15%. 5% we keep for project management and contingencies. That's how it's a breakdown of the complete budget, how it goes into the interior project.